Hello. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Oh my God. Alright, listen. Let me get my lighting right because, you know, this is my first time. I'm kind of nervous and I just wish you guys like my video. Alright, so today I am here to show you guys how I install my lace front wig. And I'm all about the synthetic human hair, don't get me wrong, but as far as like synthetic wigs, they come in handy. Like human wigs, you have to like really maintain it. You have to really maintain synthetic wigs too, but I just feel like with synthetic wigs, you don't really have to take care of them as much as you have to take care of a human hair wig. And normally I just go to the store and buy me a wig, a synthetic wig at that, for $50, $60. Human hair wigs, she's gonna spend like $300-$400 on them, and you gotta be careful with them. I'd rather just create my own human hair wigs, and that's what I be doing anyway. But we're talking about this lace front. It's by, let's see y'all. See, I only paid $4 for this one. It is Bobbi Boss lace front. It's a premium synthetic wig. It's in color F430. And it's really nice. It comes with like it looks like it comes with a little baby hair. But this is how it is. And it's nice, isn't it? I have Coco Melon playing in the background because, as you can see, my name is Harlem's mom, and my baby girl is in the background, and you guys will meet her later on in the video. But right now, she's playing with her toys and her playpen, watching her Coco Melon on the big screen. So, I'm sorry if I'm not supposed to play the Coco Melon in the background. I really, honestly don't remember the copyright rules, but yeah, let's get to it. Country, y'all, when you go to the hair stores around your hair supply store, whatever you want to call it, the hair store, make sure you get a stocking cap your skin tone or close to your skin tone. Please do not go get no black caps, please, y'all. Like, see, this one is more like my skin tone, more similar to my skin tone than a black one, where I would have to put my foundations over the top, and I have foundation all over my lace. Like, I don't like that. But yeah, get something closer to your skin tone. Like, this is more of my skin tone. So I do have two different ones. Don't know why. I take them off my head, throw them anywhere, and then I find these two. But yeah, I'm gonna put this one on first because this one is gonna be under this one. So that's just, I'm stretching it because I do have a big head, okay? But we're gonna do this. Hi you guys. So right here, I'm just showing you guys how I install my wig caps on my head. I decided to do a voiceover because I was just rambling when I came back and just looked at my video. I noticed I was just rambling for no reason. So I'm doing it again. Anyways, this is just me installing the caps. Right here, I'm just having the most hardest time getting these caps in my head right. Like, they was so hard. They was giving me so much trouble on this camera. Oh my God. Right here, I'm explaining how I be watching the YouTube channels and I be seeing you girls attaching y'all caps under y'all ear and then spraying the whole spray on your forehead and doing all that extra stuff. Yeah, I don't have time for that, so I just throw my caps on my head. Just nice, make sure my hair is tucked in that nice. I don't be having time to be trying to spray all that on my forehead. That's why y'all be breaking out. Y'all, as soon as I saw the reaction to this wig on my head, look at that. Oh my God. Like, y'all, do y'all not see? And it wasn't even set right. It was all under my eyebrows. But I just couldn't believe how nice that lace was, looking so natural. Like, for that to be a synthetic wig, I cannot believe that lace was that nice. Hollering about the wig giving me life, but baby, that wig was giving me life. Like, look, okay, make sure y'all tuck them combs underneath them caps. That's why y'all hair be showing as well. Stop showing those, stop leaving those combs out of those caps. Put them combs in those caps. Get that right. I was struggling with this one. This one was just fighting back with me, but look at me, I'm feeling myself. Hey, get it. I wish my man could see me. But my man on his way home right now. Yeah, daddy home from work. Y'all, look at that lace. Oh my God. And I'm just showing y'all that it was going to be so hard for me to try to cut my lace and try to show you guys how I cut the lace. I was like, how the hell I'm going to do this? Right here, I'm just saying that this wig is so beautiful. Like, do y'all not see this wig? This is a synthetic wig. Oh my God. This glue also is $25 at your local beauty store. It helps me so good. My wigs be stayed together. You hear me? I don't have to worry about nobody pulling my wigs off. Right here, I'm saying how I wish that I was able to do this in my bathroom, but I was not able to this time because my child has been getting into a lot of things lately, and she has been just doing the most, so I have to watch over her. And right here, I'm just cleaning my forehead with some alcohol wipes. If you don't have alcohol wipes, please get some green alcohol. Don't do the white, just get the green, and clean your forehead before you apply any spray, any glue on your forehead. Make sure it's really clean, okay? Right here, I'm showing you guys to please apply the glue, like right in front of your hairline, not exactly on your hairline, like right in front of it, because I feel like if you put it exactly on your hairline, you will pull your hair out. So pull it, put the glue, not pull, but put the glue in the front of your hairline. I know that some of you girls smear your glue, and you girls also sometimes blow dry your glue before you actually put the lace on, which is a good idea. But right here, I was actually rushing because my child it was almost time for my child feeding schedule. Like, I got my baby girl on the schedule, so it was almost time for me to feed her. And I was also letting you guys know, please don't worry about the glue being all in front of the lace. If you do decide to do it my way, please don't worry about the glue being on the lace, because you will cut the lace, and the glue that's going to be on the remaining of the lace, you can always clean it off with alcohol, which I'm going to show you as well later on in the video. Now get that spray. See this spray right here? That has to be the best spray in the whole wide world. I see that it came out with some type of Gorilla Glue spray. I still don't trust it, so I'm gonna always get my yellow can, baby. Y'all could try that new stuff. I'm gonna stick with my yellow can of my freaking whole spray. Get that blow dryer to hold that lace down, baby. Look at that lace, baby. I told y'all, don't worry about that glue being on that lace, because that glue is gonna go away. And see that I got a whole bottle of alcohol. Y'all, I got alcohol patches, and I have the bottle of alcohol. I don't play around when it comes down to alcohol. The alcohol helps so much with the glue. Like, seriously, it helps so much. And like, even when the glue comes on the hair, you can wipe the glue off the hair with the alcohol. Now, I would suggest to do it with a towel, but at this time I couldn't find one, so I had to do it with a paper napkin, which left little white paper napkins in my hair, but that didn't matter because I was gonna comb that out. Now, see those razors that you guys get to, shape your eyebrows? They come into handy for a lace front wig. It cuts the lace off so good, and you don't have to worry about it cutting your skin or poking you like a scissor would or a knife, because ain't no telling what us ladies would use on our heads. But a razor is the best tool for your lace. It gets it down. It don't cut no hair. It's not cutting your skin. It's perfect. Right here, I'm just cutting the remaining of the lace where it's not really visible. But let's be real, lace will show. Unless it's an HD lace or a more natural lace. But for this to be a synthetic lace, I feel like it's very natural. Right here, I'm just cleaning it up with that alcohol, baby. I'm telling you, that alcohol is my best friend. And I'm singing to my daughter right here. Me and her favorite song came on the television. And we were singing together. That's my baby. Y'all, I love my daughter so much. Y'all, do y'all see that part in that wig? Oh my god, that part in my wig looks so good. Oh my. And that is why I told you guys to make sure you get a cap that looks like the color of your skin, because when you look down and tie your shoe or to pick something up and you got somebody standing on side you, they will look inside your head, and if this your scalp is black, and your skin is brown, they're gonna be like, huh? But that's, I guess, if you want a more natural look, and that's me. I want natural looks, so I try to get my hair to look as natural as possible. Right here, I'm just getting the remaining of that glue out of my hair, but like I said, I would rather do it with a towel than with a paper towel. But I was so busy trying to get Harlem right, I couldn't, and I had to help and just get this video together. I couldn't even get my hair right. I had to hide the glue and tried to hurry up and get my hair finished because my daughter's starting to cut up because it was her lunchtime. So I really had to rush to get this done. But look at this wig, you guys. It turned out to be so beautiful. Later on today, I went back and redid my hair in the mirror in my bathroom. But I love this wig. I love this wig. My man loved this wig. I'm in love with this wig. I would recommend this wig to anybody, and it's only $40. It's beautiful. Right here, I'm just cutting the remaining of the lace off of my head. I'm trying so hard to get this lace looking right, but my child started to cut up really bad, and it was really time for me to feed her lunch. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how natural this looks for it to be a synthetic wig. Look how natural that looks, you guys. So imagine if I was able to really install it the way I normally install my wigs, if my child wouldn't have just started cutting up to eat. But yeah, this is a very natural looking synthetic wig. If you guys would love to see more of my videos and more videos of me in Harlem, please subscribe. I forgot to introduce you guys to the girl that this video YouTube for is really for. I'm just, Robin, and she's Batman. So here I present to you Harlem Dior. Say ta-da! 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 Love you.